There are dozens of project management tools out there, but four keep popping up: ClickUp, Monday.com, Asana, and Notion. If you're building a business, managing a team, or just trying to organize your life, choosing the right one can make or break your workflow. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing the features, pricing, ease of use, integration, and real-world use cases. So by the end, you'll know exactly which tool fits your needs. Now let's discuss the strengths of each platform. For example, when it comes on to ClickUp, it is one of the best when it comes on to all-in-one project and task management. Think everything productivity. For example, tasks, docs, goals, and dashboards. While Monday.com, on the other hand, offers team collaboration, workflows, visual boards, and automation-driven teams. And Asana is perfect for task clarity, team accountability, clean structure with timelines and goals, while Notion is perfect for personal plus team knowledge hub. It offers notes, databases, docs, and customizable systems. So, in simple terms, ClickUp offers the most features. Monday.com is perfect for the most visual option, while Asana, on the other hand, is most straightforward, and Notion is the most flexible option. And if we were to compare them via features, when it comes on to ClickUp, it combines task management, docs, whiteboards, goals, and dashboards, and has built-in time tracking, dependencies, and automations. Also, it is highly customizable, almost too customizable if you're new. While Monday.com, on the other hand, think visual workflow meets automation. Boards, timelines, and automations are drag and drop simple. It is great for marketing, HR, and sales team that want everything visual. While Asana is focused on clarity, you can easily see who's doing what and by when. It has features like timeline, workload, and goals, make it great for managers. It is lighter than ClickUp, but less flexible for complex automations. While Notion combines notes, databases, and project tracking in one place, which is perfect for content creators, solopreneurs, or teams who love building their own systems. The new Notion projects and AI tools in 2025 make it a serious contender now. Now let's compare them via experience and ease of use. ClickUp is powerful but can feel overwhelming. It is ideal for people who love to tweak systems, while Monday.com is beginner-friendly. Everything is visual. For example, it offers boards, colors, and automation triggers. Asana is the cleanest and the most intuitive UI. Teams can onboard in a few hours, while Notion is flexible but can be confusing until you design your layout. Once it is set up, it's smooth and minimal. And by the way, if I could give you a quick tip, I would say that if you're managing multiple clients or projects, ClickUp or Monday would be the best option. And if you're building your own system from scratch, I would recommend that you go with Notion. Let's compare them via pricing. As you can see right here, when it comes on to ClickUp, you can get started for completely free, and their paid plan starts off at $7 per month, that is $10 per month per user, and it can go up to $19. With Monday.com, you can also get started for completely free, and their monthly plan begins at $12, and it can go up to $24 per month. With Asana, you can also get started for completely free, and you can see that their monthly plan begins at $10.99, and it can go up to $24.99. And with Notion, you can also use it for free, and their monthly plan begins at $12, and it can go up to $24. Now, which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend that you choose ClickUp, as it is best all-in-one system for agencies, freelancers, and productivity nerds, while Monday.com, on the other hand, is the best option for team collaboration platform for marketing, HR, and client work, while Asana is a good option for task management and for structured corporate teams. And Notion is perfect for creators, startups, and knowledge management. If you want a tool that does it all, I would recommend that you go with ClickUp. If you want something your team will actually use without complaining, I would recommend that you go with Monday.com. And if you value simplicity and clean workflow, then I would recommend that you pick Asana. And if you love custom building your own systems, Notion will be your best friend. Hope you found this comparison helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.